Hey guys, welcome to another video. Hope you are doing awesome today. You are watching the hidden recipe. Welcome to all my subscribers and my prospecting subscribers. Big up on your nice clean self. Welcome to the fun, welcome to the food, welcome to the merry making. Today we are preparing Jamaican style fried chicken. Please remember to stick and stay for the cooking journey. Please remember to like, comment, share, and tell a friend to tell a friend. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting on? Subscribe. Don't move a muscle. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe.